Hi, I'm Petra Hilleberg. I wanted to show you how we usually recommend rolling out the door on the Akto in order for the door to stay up and stay out of the way the best. So we have the toggle attachment back here, and we see a lot of people doing it like this, which obviously works, but to me it doesn't look as good and it's not as functional, and it's easy that this comes down. So what I always do is I roll up the fabric, but I also take this extra little piece and fold it in so that I gather it towards this and I roll it towards the point and then attach it like that. That way I feel like then it stays out of the way and it's secure and nicely rolled.